Hello everyone! For today's update, pupunta tayo sa Calatrava, Negros Occidental for the Lenten recollection of the lectors and commentators of St. Joseph Parish of Canlaon. So, this is on our way to our venue is Calapnusan, Calatrava, and Father Geroy's place. Yes, so here, malapit na tayo sa venue. So this is our view. We have so many beautiful houses, trees, grasses. Yes, napaka-relaxing and beautiful ng view papunta ng venue. So by the way, we are riding the Salto bus or the bus na dito sa city of Canlaon. Yes, so here nandito na po tayo sa venue at Calapnusan. Yes, this is the view. Yes, ang lawak ng place, and this is now Welcome Lenten Recollection. So our speaker is Reverend Father Jose Enrique D. Gauzon. So sa kanya ditong place na to, at may horse. Pwede kang sumakay dyan during the break, o kung walang session, walang talk. Yes, during the break, so pa-picture ang mga tita sa chapel. Ito po ay sa chapel ni Father Geroy. And here, matapos aming session ay binigyan kami ng oras na pupunta sa Grotto of Our Lady of Lourdes. So, dyan makikita ninyo may dala kaming mga bottled water or yes, mga sisidla ng water because doon ay may healing water galing sa grotto ng Our Lady of Lourdes.
Tinatang-tang akong bagong
yes.
Ay, karoon na ito. Atura lang.
So, look at the place. So, ang lawak ng lugar. Very peaceful. So, lahat yan sa nakikita ninyo ay mga kasama ko sa ministry ng lectors and commentators dito sa aming parish. So, malayo-layo rin ang aming nilakad dyan, papunta sa grotto. At after dyan, babalik pa kami sa chapel for the mass. Meron kaming mass after sa talk. And then, picture taking. And then, uuwi na kami. Yan, patuloy pa rin kami naglalakad papunta sa grotto.
Wala naman guroy kape.
While walking, picture, taking videos.
Kita sa balay ni Father Derry, diri ka mo ariya. Padulong meron sa Lord France, mangita ba sa iyang tubod where narito ang galing water. Ay, dami na kayo mo. Diyan.
Dito pa rin is still going to the grotto. Naglalakad pa rin kami. Hindi pa kami nakaabot sa grotto. So doon kukuha kami ng healing water galing sa grotto ng Our Lady of Lourdes. Tapos i-bless ni Father. Tapos dadali namin pag-uwi. So dyan, malapit na ang grotto. Sa baba, nandyan na ang grotto. And yes, we are done. So, pabalik na kami sa chapel. Dala-dala na namin ang mga water namin galing sa grotto. I-bless na yan ni Father before dalhin namin going home. Okay, so dyan. Yes, still the view is very beautiful, very relaxing. Ang lawak. Walang any noise, perfect for meditation, perfect for recollection. So after that, we are renewed, we are refreshed, and we are ready to serve and continue our ministry as lectors and commentators of St. Joseph Parish.
Dire man to.
Butangan pa ni direct 14 station, no? Direct na ay 14 station.
Yes, so dyan hinihingal na ako. Medyo malayo-layo rin ang nilakad namin. At dyan, nagtatapos ang aming recollection for Lenten with our lectors and commentators with Speaker Reverend Father Jose Enrique Gauzon. So, natapos ang aming one-day recollection at exactly around 3 p.m. in the afternoon after the Holy Mass. Yes, so we're going home. Thank you so much, Kalapnusan. Thank you for the experience. Yes, so we are now renewed. Yes, so this is going home from Calatrava to Canlaon. So this is around 4 p.m. Yes, so nakasakay na kami dyan. Pauwi na kami. And yes, we are safely back home. Thank you, Lord, for the providence, for the guidance, and thank you everyone for watching.